Okay, now we're going to learn how to use and orient a compass. So first off, you want to hold it out like this, straight in front of you, this end facing straight away from you. There's a little arrow right here if you can see that, right there. And then the needle here, the red side with the little arrow right there, that always points north, okay? The white points south. All right. Now there's a saying that goes, "Put red Fred in the shed," and by that they mean this little black arrow going this way. That is the shed, the little top of the shed right there. Okay. So you want to put the top of this needle, the red part, in this shed. So you just turn this dial like that. Okay, so now it's pointing that way is north. All right, now if you want to face north, you would turn this dial to right there, north, and then you would, while holding this straight out in front of you, you turn your body until you put red Fred in the shed. Okay, so that way is north. It's called orienting your compass. Now say you want to go west. You would turn this dial, so there you can see that little white line right in there. Turn it to W, west, and then so you want to face west. So now you're going to keep holding it straight after you've turned the dial. Then you're going to turn your body with this straight out in front of you and put red Fred in the shed again. Now this is always pointing north. However, you want to go west, so you put west up here, and then you turn this until it goes in the shed, just like that. Okay? Now say you want to go 130 degrees. Okay, there's 360 degrees all the way around. So if you want to go 130 degrees, you would turn this dial so you have 130 right up top, and then now you're going to hold it straight, and again we're going to put red Fred in the shed. So holding it straight, just turn your body, and I'm all the way around like this. I'm not turning my whole body due to the video, but just like that, put red Fred in the shed. You are over here. This part is facing towards your direction of 130. This is pointing north, so now you know that 130 degrees is this way. So we'll do one more. Say you want to go 60 degrees. So you turn this dial to 60 right here, hold it out in front of you, and then you're going to hold it out in front of you, turn your body, and put, other way, red Fred in the shed, and that's 60 degrees going that way. Pretty easy. Do it a few times, and you'll get the hang of it. And so, if you need to head a certain direction, if you're out in the woods, you would then turn to your heading up top, orient your compass, put red Fred in the shed, and then you would walk that direction. If you're out in the woods and you can't see very far, note your direction, point in the direction you need to go, then look for a distinguishing object such as a tree, a rock, and then once you got your eyes fixed on that, you can put your compass down, walk in that direction to the tree or rock, whatever it was, and then once you get there, do another compass heading, and then pick another object, and you keep doing that. That way you walk in a straight line versus trying to hold your compass the whole time to the woods, and then you're doing this, and you're not going to end up in a straight line. So if you have to navigate through the woods or where you can't see very far, that's a good way to go. All right, and that's how you navigate your compass.